Right, a quick update on Heroes of Mavia here. So this may be a good play here. Not financial advice, of course. It's up almost 17% on the week. So what you can clearly see on the screen here, not exactly perfect with the lines here, but down here, this thing is still in a downtrend. Maybe, yeah, it's still in a downtrend here. You can clearly see. And what is happening here? Let me get this off of the screen. Well, let me point this out really quick. So you can see on the smaller fib, low to the high, which let me adjust this just a hair here. You can see that it clearly has hit that final 786 support a couple of times here. Now, just getting that off of the screen, what we have here in play is a reversal pattern. So in this downtrend, the price is getting stuck exactly at the 236 here at 180, and you can see it is making slightly higher lows here. So we do have this reversal ascending triangle pattern down here, and if you want to get really technical with it and go from the largest spot on here, I'll just say there, and then if I can get this to move and grab it, and depending on where we break out, you can see it pretty much takes you up to the 0.5. So what I'm getting at here is once this thing finally breaks out of this pattern here, which is a bullish reversal pattern, we'll just go from where you are right now. If it decides to break out, then you can see 144% spike out of here up to the 0.5 at 335 here. Could be the case on this thing. But yeah, it's looking good here. It's grinding its way up. Like I said, it hit that 786. It's holding this new uptrend here on the bottom of this pattern. And this is very bullish. We've seen this several times on the channel here. We're covering it right now on Bonk. We've seen it on Arrow. We've seen it on Caspa. And every time we come into this pattern here, it's a period of consolidation. It tends to be very bullish out of it. So with that being said and ignoring that, let me get this one out of the way. The macro bottom is technically put in once you get over 180. So once we break over 180, that confirms this is the bottom. And then once you get over the 382 at 254 here, then you are bullish on this thing once again. So maybe it only comes up to this level here, an 87% move from today. And then if it breaks out and comes to the measured move, maybe that 0.5 as we pointed out here. Doesn't have to play out like that all the time, but we'll see what happens. And of course, you know, this thing could still chop around as it has been in this pattern until it comes rather to the apex of this, to where the price is going to get squeezed and then it moves out of here. So it could stay in here for a couple of months if it wants to. But if you're ever looking to buy Heroes of Mavia, this is probably the bottom because of this pattern and the fact that it hit the 786 and the fact that it's curling up here. So looking good on Heroes of Mavia here. And how high is it going to go this cycle? If it comes all the way up to the 786 here, 207 million market cap is about a 4.5, closer to a 5x there for the price of 650 here, 658. And then if it's going to come all the way up here and hit a new high on this chart we have, that would put you around $20.68, maybe $20.70, would give you about a 15x up to a 650 million market cap on this thing. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.